Ayan, welcome to Southport.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
I can take your order.
All looking for adventure.
Thank you. Ahoy there! Welcome to our new adventure. We're heading west to Southport. So, punta tayo ng seaside. And hopefully may sun. So para makita natin yung sunset. Southport. Punta tayo doon sa may Pier. Let's go. Punta tayo doon. So, andito na tayo sa Southport. Bago tayo mag-view ng sunset, mag-unbox muna tayo. Menu natin sa Amazon. Buksan natin. Ayan yung laman. Sling bag. Manfrotto. May logo doon. May kasamang lalagyan ng lens. Ayan yung loob. Natin. May 2 packets. Meron ding packet doon sa labas. Lalagyan ng tripod. Parang ito. Lalagyan mo ganun. And i-clip mo siyang ganyan. Ayan, camera sa loob, memory cards, mga laman nito, and batteries, extra batteries. Proudly Pinoy, Philippines. Lagyan na natin sa loob. Then yung camera na yan, lalagay natin din wipes, gargle. So yan, clean, alcohol 70%, ang iwas sa virus. Lagyan natin sa loob.
Like and subscribe.
So ganyan, lagyan natin. And ayan, ready to go. Let's go for our adventure. So may sun, magkakaroon tayo ng sunset mamaya.
Subscribe and like this channel.
Wala pala tubig, so lakad tayo doon. Ang layo pala nung ano. Say something there.
This is a rocket fireball.
Punta tayo doon sa malayo. Napulot tayong smiley ball. Yan, keep smiling. Ayan. Oh, ang layo. Ayan, halfway pa lang tayo. Parang disyerto. Like and subscribe. So, dito na tayo halfway. So, meet me halfway, sabi ng water. Malayo yung water. Antayin na lang natin siyang lumapit. So, malayo pa siya. Ayan, so that's yan yung pupuntahan natin. Yan yung banda yung Ireland. Yung saan lulubog yung araw. So yan yung Irish water. Dito sa ayan, north side. Yan yung black pool. May team yung pool nila dyan, kaya black pool. Tapos dito sa south side, kung pupunta ka dyan yung Liverpool. Yan. Yung pool ng naman nila dyan, puro liver. Ng clouds. So, mga isang oras pa lulubog na yung araw. Ayan. Makita nyo yung Blackpool. Ayun, yung Blackpool Tower. Nandun. So, yung Pleasure Beach. So, ito yung Southport. Desert Seaside. Summer ka na malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Balik na tayo doon. Maglalakad na tayo mga 1 mile. Ngayon tayo doon sa malayo. Hello.
I'm Xander. And today we're going to do Dad's YouTube. Okay? Enjoy it off. Don't be late to watch Dad's video. Okay? Bye to the next video. Yes, yes, yes!
Natakpan ng cloud. Kaya yan. Nakita yung pagset ng sun. Yan. Ito tayo Southport. Pier. Ayan, may railway papunta doon. Keep social distancing, sabi niya. Ocean Plaza, shop, eat, play. May mga rabbit doon. Ayan, siya makita. Wala na. Daming rabbit. Ayan. Kita nyo ang rabbit doon sa likod. Ayan, tatakbuhan. Ayan. Look. Small bridge. Ito ay galing sa pier. May swan boat doon. Yung sumakay doon. Swan. So may birds. And may crazy golf and laruan ng bata nandun sa likod. Ayan, may sun. Sun. Carousel. Funland Casino. Grabing alcohol. Laban sa virus. Bridge. Ayan. Sa likod. Doon banda yung may swan boat. Swan Lake. Swan Lake. Yung mga bahay doon. Skateboard, rollerblades, play area. Over there. See, pabalik na tayo doon. Left side. Going in left side.
Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase. This I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself I am alive and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge
Time for
draw
us
me
to go.
in, 'cause I
See you
want
sa sunod
more.
na adventure.
Oh, we are all